Welcome. If you're here, you're not here by accident, and I believe that God has brought you here because He wants to change your life financially. Just like He introduced me to an online business that has made me scale from 0 to 7 figures. And this business model is no other business model than the affiliate marketing business. I am going to be introducing this business to you, teaching you how you can launch your own business, earning in 6 figures weekly in the next 30 days if you follow this video till the very end. Now, why should you listen to me? Now, I have made so many mistakes looking for how to make money online. Yes, in this generation, there are legit business models that you can venture into online and you will be successful at it. And one of those business models is affiliate marketing. Right here, I'm going to be showing you guys how I have made over 4 million naira, not even with my laptop but with my phone. So if you have a smartphone and you have a data connection and you have a little capital to start, then you should wait and listen to what I'm about to show you till the end of this video. How did I recover 1.5 million naira loss from a Ponzi scheme that crashed in March 2021? Alright, so here was I in my NYSC camp. Man, I was not really sleeping, but I was thinking about my life. I had just graduated from school and I just lost 1.5 million naira, money that I'm supposed to use to better my life. Because I am a professional dancer and I don't want to end up my life or ending up being depressed, I was dancing in camp, and that was me and some of my friends I made in camp. And there was a time we did a competition in camp and I came out second and won 30,000 naira. So after camp, I was posted to this radio station where I met a lot of celebrities. If you are familiar with these faces, these are the BB Nigeria superstars that year. But guess what? I was still earning 30,000 naira. And the funny thing was that I was spending 1,500 naira every day to go to work. It was in November 2021 I now realized that I had registered for a business training March 2021 precisely, and then I rushed back to my mentor and I was like, boss, I am ready for my training. And guess what? In less than 30 days, I was able to make 120k in 1 week, not 1 month. So that is the screenshot. And when this alert came in, guys, guess what? 119,900. 100 naira was just deducted for transfer charges, and that is not even enough. I have also mentored students currently that are making money every single week. I am going to show you how I was able to make 351k in 1 week. Below this video is a link that can take you to my Twitter page where you will see more testimonies of my students, and also a link to my TikTok page where you will see some of their videos and how this business model have drastically moved them from 0 to earning 6 figures weekly. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a legitimate business model where you help people sell their products online, and then you get paid a commission each time you make a sale. As an affiliate marketer, your job or your duty is to simply connect a buyer and then a seller together. And when this is done, you would earn a commission. Currently, this business model is worth $12 billion. If you convert that to naira, I'm sure you can't even pronounce the amount in words, right? Now, I'm going to give you a very short example to illustrate what this business model is all about. Now, for those of us who live in Lagos, right, we should be familiar with Ajah market, Oshodi market, CMS market. For those of us who live in the east, of course, we must have heard about Onitsha market. As soon as you enter this market, what happens? You see that Igbo boy that will just rush to you and say, hey boss, come my shop now, we dey sell am for here. If you're a girl, you hear, my sister, my color, come now, we get your size for you. They will pest you until you follow them to their shop. Now those boys in Igbo, they are called Osaya. What do? They connect a buyer to a seller, somebody who owns a shop in the market together. And when this is done successfully, they earn their commission. Sometimes they end up making a lot of money in a single day than owners of shop, right? There is no risks attached because number one, they are not the owner of the shop, so they don't pay shop rent. They don't buy goods, so they are not worried if these goods are going to get spoiled or not. Their only challenge is to look for customers that have come to the market to look for something to buy. They direct them to a particular shop, make sure they buy, and then that is how they earn their commission. Next up, we have different types of affiliate marketing components, right? For example, we have Jumia, we have Konga, we have Amazon, we have Expatriate, we have JVZoo, we have StayCut, we have ClickBank, we have Uber, we have Bolt, we have ShopRite, etc. There are so many. All these companies are affiliate marketing companies, but there is a difference between some of them. Some of them sell only physical products, while some sell digital products. Now, as the names imply, physical products are products that you can see with your eyes. Just like the Igbo boy in the market, he sells only physical products. While some of these companies also sell digital products. Now, digital products are products that are knowledge-based products. That is, they are information products. Now, they come in form of a video or an audio, a PDF, right, or a website for you to have access to. All right, so you can't see all of this with your eyes or physically, but you can do what? Access them. Now, examples of companies who sell physical products, of course, ShopRite sell physical products, Jumia sell physical products. All right, for digital products, we have Expatriate, we have StayCut, we have Digistem, we have JVZoo, we have ClickBank, right? These companies sell digital products and they have been in existence for several years. And I'm going to be showing you some examples right here on my dashboard. So I'm going to head up to Product Marketplace, okay? And in my Product Marketplace, from here we can see the complete smartphone videography. Now, what does this digital product teaches the buyer? It teaches the buyer how to become a professional smartphone videographer, right? See, technology is taking over, and if you're not getting involved, you are going to be left out. People have produced movies with their smartphone. Now, this course can teach you how to edit videos, and this course is actually sold for just 10,000 naira. Now, you as an affiliate marketer, you are going to be getting 50% commission for selling this kind of product. 50%, that means 5,000 naira each time you sell one. Now let's move to this one. This one is an amazing course. Now this course teaches you how you can make a lot of money in dollar. This course is called the Amazon Kindle Domination for Laptops and Smartphone. This course teaches you how to publish books on Amazon. Now this course is sold for 20,000 and it also has an affiliate commission of 50%. Now imagine you are selling a product worth, let's say 50,000 naira. It means if you sell one, you have made 25,000 naira. If you sell just 4 in a week, you have made 100,000 naira. Now these are hot products that can scale you to 6 figures every single week. So the next question is, who is this business model for? This business is not for those that are looking for a fast way of making money. This is not a Ponzi scheme. Remember the story I told you from the beginning of this class, right? Coming up is the 6 big questions. Now, question number 1, how do I get buyers? How do I get people that are ready to buy this digital product so that I can earn my commission and then make a lot of money every single week? Now, we take advantage of the social media platforms, and then there are so many ways, right, that you can get buyers as an affiliate marketer. Now, for you to understand what I'm trying to say, for example, there is a friend of yours that you have not seen for the past 2-3 years, but how do you guys communicate? Obviously online. So this tells you that there are so many buyers online than buyers offline. Question number 2, where do I get this product to sell? Now you don't need to worry, because as soon as you kick off with your registration and then you have your dashboard ready, the products, the digital products you're going to be selling, they are all in your dashboard, just like as I showed you previously. Now question number 3, how do I get my commission? How do I get my money after I have sold? It is very, very important. Now, As soon as you are making a sale, right in your dashboard, as you can see from mine, there is my account details in my dashboard. Access Bank account is there. Now the next question is, how am I sure that this business model is not going to crash? Now, from the beginning of this class, I told you that affiliate marketing is simply what? Connecting a buyer and a seller together, right? Now, this also means that affiliate marketing will only crash when buying and selling stops. The next question is, who am I selling these digital products to? Very easy. You're selling these digital products to the millions of people online every single day. And guess what? You are going to be trained how to do so. Now, in one of my secrets that I'm going to be sharing with you is showing you how to generate traffic down to your business, whereby you can continuously to sell and sell. Now, traffic is the lifeblood of any business, whether offline business or online business. If you are running a business and you don't generate traffic to that business is going to go bankrupt. Now, next question is, how much time do I need to dedicate to this business? Oh, I don't really have much time. I work from morning till night. I tell my students that if you can dedicate at least 1 hour daily, right, to concentrate on this business, you are good to go. What do I need to get started? You need your smartphone, you need your data connection, and my 7-figure blueprint. Now, in this 7-figure blueprint contains, number 1 on my list, the Affiliate Marketing Accelerator program. Now, this program was designed, right, by my friend and mentor Owaneka Caleb, right? And this course is valued at 40,000 naira. All right. Now, next is the high converting landing page, right? Now, this landing page helps you to convert buyers, right, that you have found online easily and also faster. So this high converting landing page is valued at 19,500. All right. Now, next is a dollar affiliate account, right? Now, you are going to be getting a dollar affiliate account, and guess what? This is going to be free for you. But hold on, I am not done. Now, next on my list is my traffic blueprint. Remember, the importance of any business is generating traffic. This traffic blueprint is valued at 40,000 naira. All right. Now, guess what? I know you think that is all, right? Okay, so let's move on to the next. Next is my 4.6 million naira blueprint, right? And it's still counting. I am going to be handing over to you the secret of how I was able to make this money in a very short time. Now, this hack or this blueprint is valued at 52,000 naira. All right. Now, next on my 7-figure blueprint is my business study guide. Now, listen, I have never in my life seen a serious business person, right, not reading. I'm going to hand over those ebooks to you, and these ebooks are worth 25,000 naira. All right. Next, you're going to be getting my TikTok money hack, where I have made over 1 million naira directly from TikTok, and this is worth just 45,000 naira. Next, you're going to be getting support, right? You don't want to start up a business and you don't have support, right? You're going to be getting instant support. And then finally, I am going to welcome you to Great Nation. Now, Great Nation has been designed as a special mentorship group where you will be getting a personal training with me, a personal coaching or a personal mentorship, showing you step by step how you can be successful in this business. It's just going to be 35,000 naira. Now, you see, if we are to total the value of what you will be getting from my 7-figure blueprint, it is going to amount to 256,500. Guess what? If you are interested, right, and you're ready to connect with me you are going to be getting this at a value price of just 55,000 naira. But hold on, that is not even the good news. Now watch this. If you are going to be getting started right away, I mean today, you are going to be getting started for just 40,000 naira only. But then if there is a good news, there is also a what? A bad news. But here is the bad news, and it shouldn't scare you. The bad news is this: if you're not getting started today, I can tell you for real that this price is going to skyrocket very soon, or before the end of this month, to 55,000 naira. So if you are interested and you are ready to get started, there is a link in the description of this video. Just click on this link and head up straight up to do what? Make your payment. All right. Or if you want to connect with me via WhatsApp, my WhatsApp link is also listed in the description. I also want you to just watch 1 or 2 testimonies from my students.
Hello everyone, my name is Covenant and I'm a student of Mr. Great. I've known Mr. Great for a very long time. I started affiliate marketing around December, but I didn't have anyone to guide me. So I went to Great and I paid for his mentorship and I started. And I can tell you that it's been amazing so far. Today I can tell you that I'm now a 6-figure earner. I started making sales and it's been amazing.
All screenshot stuff, and I want to get it, but I couldn't get it because I never had money. I didn't have money. Not until I stumbled upon this business opportunity called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply me selling digital products online. I connect a buyer and a seller and I get paid my commission. It's that simple. Yeah, so actually I'm a student of Mr. Great. He's my mentor both in dance and in business. So I started affiliate marketing on the 28th of July. And to date, I have made over 200,000 naira from this business. Yes, you heard me right, 200,000 naira, over 200,000 naira. So I want to urge you, you don't want to get started, you won't get money. Yeah, you want to join the weekly paying gang. It's that simple. Just join affiliate marketing. So hurry now and get started.
Alright, you're welcome back. Thank you guys for your time. Thank you for watching this video to the end. And please drop a comment if you have learned anything so far about affiliate marketing. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell because I will keep updating you guys on business opportunities. My name is Mr. Great Organist.